ମୁଁ ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ଜାଣିଛି। I know very well. I know very well. କହିବାର ଆବଶ୍ୟକତା ନାହିଁ। No need to say. No need to say. କିଛି କୁହ ନାହିଁ। Don't say anything. Don't say anything. କାହାକୁ କୁହ ନାହିଁ। Don't say anyone. Don't say anyone. ହଉ ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି, ଚିନ୍ତା କରନି। It's okay. Don't worry. It's okay. Don't worry. ଏଠାରେ କେହି ନାହାନ୍ତି। No one is here. No one is here. କାହାକୁ ପଠାଅ। Send someone. Send someone. ତୁମେ କେତେବେଳେ ଆସିବ? When will you come? When will you come? ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରିଥିଲି। I was waiting for you. I was waiting for you. ମୋ ପାଇଁ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କର। Wait for me. Wait for me. ମୁଁ ତୁମ ସହିତ ଏକମତ। I agree with you. I agree with you. ତୁମେ କ'ଣ କହିଲ? What did you say? What did you say?